Good morning everyone, this is Almay Salio and I'm going to discuss to you about designing learning activities in mathematics, especially blended learning approach or flipping classroom. So let's begin! Designing for learning in mathematics. Mathematics offers student-centered math pedagogy to hybrid and online learning contexts. No matter where students want learning, equitable design and student-centered pedagogy remain fundamental urgent priorities. Because we all know mathematics takes a deep dive exploration into designing, planning, asynchronous and synchronous math practice, implementing real-world problem solving, and making student learning visible. And also, mathematics is applicable to math educators across middle and high school grade levels and contexts. As a teacher, this is the things that you must need to learn. You will learn specific strategies aligned to the teaching for mathematics. First, conducting synchronous and asynchronous learning experiences. Second, content curation. Third, designing assessment for learning. Fourth, increasing engagement and meaningful collaboration. Fifth, making student learning visible. The next, supporting student in developing and exercising agency. Then the last one is translating what works in person to hybrid and online. Designing technologies, activities that teach mathematics. Teaching mathematics in a technology classroom requires more than simply using mathematics with technologies. It requires designing the lesson to focus, motivate, and highlight the mathematics in a meaningful way. Like for example, some teachers believe that if mathematics is integrated into technology education lessons, then students will become mathematically competent. So let's proceed about to the blended learning. So what is blended learning? Blended learning, a style of education in which students learn via electronic and online media, as well as traditional face-to-face teaching. Schools include blended learning into their curriculum for many reasons. Some of these include it allows teachers to personalize education because students can work through material at their own pace. Second, it prepares students to collaborate in online environment. Then the last one, it expands the boundaries of the classroom because students can work with peers from other classroom or school in an online environment. Then the second one, flex model. What is flex model? Students engage in online instruction while they are in the classroom. Students can work at their own pace while teachers and are available for individual help or guidance. Then the third one, a la carte model. Students receive face-to-face instruction for most of their classroom, but they may take one or two classes, but they may. And the last one, enriched virtual model. Students complete most of the class online, for they do have few face-to-face class sessions. So what is flipped classroom? The flipped classroom models flip the traditional relationship between class time and homework. Students learn at home via online classroom, course, work, and lectures. Use class time for teacher-guided practice or projects. This model enables teachers to use class time to more than deliver traditional lectures. This is the end of my discussion. Thank you for listening.